Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can download Facebook on HUAWEI. So first you will need to launch the app gallery, then at the search bar input the Facebook query. Once the needed app is found, and as you can see it is not present at the app gallery itself, but we can install it directly from it, even though the installation file will come from the external source, but that is completely fine as long as the external source is shown in the search results. That means that it's safe to use it. So let's tap at the install button, tap at the continue then, and give Facebook a few seconds to be downloaded and installed. So, as you can see, the Facebook was successfully installed, and that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.